warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm so happy to see you again in my video. So before I start my topic today, let me introduce myself. I'm Minhatul Maula, as everyone calls me Maula. I'm an English teacher. So today I will discuss about fun and engaging ways to teach EFL to young learners. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so in this slide we will discuss about why fun matters. The first one, there is increased motivations. When you teach young learners new languages, but you use the monotone ways to teach, maybe the young learners will be unmotivated. But when you teach with fun learning, young learners will be motivated to learn new language. And the second, it's about improve retentions. And the third is reduce anxiety. It's only young learners feel anxiety to learn new language, but us as the human being, it also has an anxiety to learn language. But when you use fun learning to teach new language, it will be reduced anxiety. And the last is about fostering a love for learning. Okay, next slide we will discuss about playful learning or some fun learning tips to teach young learners. The first is you can use interactive games. The first we can say charades, and the second it's Simon Says, and the next is board games, and the last is card game. The first one in charades is acting out words and phrase, and the second is Simon Says. It means you incorporate English vocabulary and commands. Maybe I always use this Simon Says games when in the kindergarten and also the small class in the primary school. Okay, and then the third is board game. It means utilize games with English rules and vocabulary. It also can make fun learning for young learners. And the last is card game. Card game we can use memorize games, making games, and also vocabulary building game. This sums game you can use when you want to give them new vocabulary, because when you use the sums game with new vocabulary, maybe the young learners will be more memorizing. Okay, so the next it's about song and rhymes. Okay, in song and rhymes you can use the action song, finger plays, and also sing-alongs. In the action song, teach simple song with accompanying movement. Maybe when you I have some song for new vocabulary, like you can see in this video. And about finger plays, it is incorporate rhymes with hand gesture. You can use hand gesture. Maybe the gesture can make more young learners memorize the vocabulary. Maybe if you can say little finger, you can say like this. Okay, so and the next is about sing-alongs. Encourage group singing and participations. When you sing along with in the classroom with young learners, they will sing along, and maybe everyone in the class or in the group will be participate to sing that songs. You can see the example from this video. Okay, so the next about storytelling and drama. The first is interactive storytelling. It means involve children in creating and telling stories. Maybe you can use this is for secondary or in the big class like 4th, 5th, and 6th grade in the primary school. And the next is puppet shows. Okay, puppet show use puppets to act out stories and dialogue. Maybe you can give them some speaking practice. So you can use some puppets, 2 or 3 puppets. So ask them to practice the new vocabulary with themselves or monologue or with their friends. And the next is role playing. Encourage children to act out different scenarios. This role playing you can use when you give some reading skills. You can ask them to make their own stories. Okay, so in this slide I will give you some tips and tricks to make some fun learning. It works. The first, use visual. Young learners will be so interesting when you use your visual like puppets, some object in your classroom or voice card. They will be more active when you use visual. You can see in my video I always use some visual in my class. So you can see that some students or all of students will participate in my class. Okay, and also the next is make it hands-on. Encourage active participants and physical movement. When you use these tips, maybe some student will be more active participations in your classroom. And the next about keep it short and sweet. Do you know that young learners have short attention spans? Maybe the young learners only focusing in your in your classroom, maybe in 20 or 30 minutes. So will feel bored in your classroom. So you have to make it short and sweet. And then it's about repeat and review. Regularly, previously learned material. Actually, in my classroom, I always review some new vocabularies when I want to start my classroom. Maybe this last week I studied about things in the classroom. So in this week I will teach the topics is about fruits and vegetables. But before I start my class, I always review to my students to that last vocabulary about things in the classroom. Like okay, so today we will review some topic in the last week. Do you still remember what is it? So you can see the example for my video. This is when I review some students. You can see how my students so active for participating in my classroom. Next, about celebrate success. Acknowledge and celebrate student achievements. It's not only young learners, and also us as human beings will be so excited when someone celebrate our successful. When you get some big score in your school, you will be so happy, but will be happier when there is someone celebrate your success. And also young learners in my classroom, when the student can answer my question, I will give them say good job, high five, or excellent. You can see this example from my video. This is when they can answer my questions correctly. So I celebrate their achievement. So they will be free. Wow, my teacher celebrate my success. So I can give more and more correct answer for the questions. So that's some tips and tricks for me Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any thought about this topic, let's comment in the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.